From hobby to harvest, scaling your mushroom farm. Small-scale mushroom growing is a rewarding hobby. It provides fresh, homegrown mushrooms and a connection to nature's cycles. Scaling up requires careful planning and execution. This shift transforms your passion into a business. This guide will help you navigate this transition. We'll explore essential factors in scaling your farm. Whether you dream of supplying local restaurants or expanding your farmer's market presence, understanding these principles will set you on the path to success. Laying the groundwork. Planning for larger scale cultivation. Transitioning from a small home setup to a larger mushroom farm requires meticulous planning. Assess your available space, a spare room, basement, or dedicated outbuilding. Determine the ideal growing area and layout. Efficient substrate production is crucial. Explore bulk substrate options like sawdust or straw. Maintain consistent humidity for growth. Invest in reliable humidifiers or misting systems. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent contamination. Utilize fans or air exchange systems. Automation is essential as your operation grows. Use timers, automated misting, and temperature controllers. Substrate science: efficient preparation and sterilization for success. Critical for large-scale cultivation, ensures a healthy, productive yield. Bulk substrates like sawdust or straw are practical, sourced from reputable suppliers free from contaminants. Sterilization prevents competing organisms. Consider large-scale autoclave or steam sterilization. Pasteurization can be effective for certain substrates. Research methods and temperatures for success. The fruiting chamber, creating the perfect microclimate. A dedicated fruiting chamber is essential for optimizing mushroom growth. Construct a walk-in chamber with sturdy framing and waterproof sheeting. Ensure proper insulation for stable temperatures and humidity. Install humidifiers, fans, and temperature control systems. Monitor and adjust these factors. Mushrooms require some light for proper fruiting. Install low-intensity lights on a timer. Maintain strict hygiene within the fruiting chamber. Regularly clean and sanitize surfaces and equipment. Automation allies technology for optimal growing conditions. Automation plays a vital role in streamlining larger-scale mushroom cultivation and ensuring consistent results. Humidity control. Invest in automated misting systems or humidifiers with timers to maintain consistent humidity levels within the fruiting chamber. Airflow management. Install fans with timers or automated ventilation systems to ensure proper air circulation and prevent stagnant air pockets. Temperature regulation. Utilize thermostats and heaters or coolers to maintain the optimal temperature range for your chosen mushroom species. Lighting timers. Employ timers for your lighting system to provide the necessary photo period for mushroom fruiting and development. Maximizing yield and efficiency. Bulk substrate techniques. Bulk substrate methods are crucial for maximizing yield and efficiency in large-scale mushroom production. Bulk substrate bags. Utilize large, autoclavable bags filled with your chosen substrate. These bags provide an efficient and sterile environment for mushroom growth. Shelving systems. Install sturdy shelving units within your fruiting chamber to maximize space utilization and accommodate multiple layers of substrate bags. Harvesting techniques. Implement efficient harvesting techniques, such as using sharp knives to minimize damage to the substrate and encourage subsequent flushes. From farm to market, profitable avenues for your mushroom bounty. With a thriving mushroom farm, explore these profitable avenues. Farmers markets. Sell your fresh, locally grown mushrooms directly to consumers at farmers markets, establishing a loyal customer base. Restaurants. Partner with local restaurants and chefs to supply them with high-quality, specialty mushrooms, creating a consistent revenue stream. Online sales. Establish an online presence and sell your mushrooms directly to consumers through your website or online marketplaces. Value-added products. Explore creating value-added products like dried mushrooms, powders, or tinctures to expand your product line and reach a wider customer base.